Things needed: a bottle with water, blue ink, and a light colored flower. Now we are gonna start our procedure. I'll take the bottle with water. Open the blue ink. And pour it gently into the bottle. Now I'll stir that. Okay, and now I'll pour the flour into the bottle. Now this is the starting of the process, flour dye. Now we'll meet tomorrow to see what happens. Hello once again, and this is my day 2. You can see there are blue patches on the white flowers. As I showed you yesterday, they were full white, but now they have blue patches. You can imagine how the water from the stem reached the flowers and colored them blue. So, this was the process of flower dyeing. Bye bye. Color your flowers the color you want.